There might be certain types of objects or pictures that you want for your designs, and to quickly find them, you can use the search feature. So to search for pictures or objects, I'm going to go around onto photos area first to search out photos. So over here you can see search photos is an option, so you can simply go around and search for the type of photo that you want. For example, you can go around and type in, let's say for example, computer, and press enter, and it'll search out for pictures related with computer. So the ones with the diamond right here are the premium ones, but the one without are free ones. So now I can simply bring in the picture that I want right here and start working with it. Similarly for the objects as well. Let's say I want something related to music right here. So I'm just going to go around and say music and enter. And you can see that there's different music related images that there are. If you're not finding what you're looking for, then you can just go around and, let's say for example, type in something like piano right here, just like this, and then relevant pictures will pop up. So right now you're not seeing this, so I'm just going to go around and say piano music right here and press enter, and now you're getting the relevant images. As you can see, you can change out the keywords if you're not getting the type of images that you're wishing for right here. And that is how you can go around and search for objects or pictures by using the search feature inside of VistaCreate. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.